Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to recover your permanently deleted files on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar. We have to go to Microsoft Store to download the application. So either you find it right here or you type Microsoft Store. Once it opens, type Windows File Recovery. So a lot of applications will be displayed right here. We have to download this one, Restore Files. Just get it and install it. Once you have successfully installed it, just open it. After that, click yes. As you can see here, it displays the physical drives you have and the logical disks. I have one here. So all we have to do is select the logical disk you have and then click quick scan. And now you have to wait for the software to scan all the disk. It will take some time. Okay, so once the scan is completed, the files should be displayed in front of you right here. After that, all you have to do is to select the files you want to recover and select the recover button right here. If something happens and you didn't find the files you wanted to recover, go back and make sure to select the correct disk. So you see right here, show all disks. Make sure to turn it on, and if you have more than one disk, it should be displayed right here. So make sure you select it and then select the quick scan or the full scan. Select only full scan if you are pretty sure that that is the disk that have the deleted files. And that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.